With the mercury already rising, outdoor construction and work sites are in full gear. So we're here with this week's feature product to help keep everyone cool and hydrated. Take a big gulp from Dentec's 7.4 gallon cooler. You're probably wondering, why 7.4 gallons? Well, there's actually a really good reason behind it. You see, there's a line at the 5 gallon mark. That's the water fill line for the correct ratio mix of a Squincher 64 ounce liquid concentrate bottle. No more measurements and ratio math, just bring the water up to the fill line. Dump in 1 full bottle of liquid concentrate and everyone on site stays nice and hydrated. It's constructed out of a durable plastic that helps resist scratches and is packed with extra thick insulation, ensuring superior thermal retention that keeps the contents cold for up to 48 hours. The handles are recessed, so there's no worries of someone's tool belt snagging the cooler and pulling it off the table, while also allowing for compact storage during transportation. And the easy-to-clean liner on the inside is both stain and odor resistant. And don't forget that at Gregg's, we've got many different flavors of Squincher liquid concentrate in both regular and zero sugar. But if your crew needs something even colder, we have the Squincher Squeeze Freezer Pops to help battle the hottest of job sites. There's even powdered quick sticks, so you can just fill the cooler with water and give people the chance to choose their own flavor. So let's keep the workers hydrated and happy with this week's feature product, the 7.4 gallon cooler from Dentec. How do you keep cool on the job site? Let's get some chatter in the comments. And don't forget to cool off with more 100% Canadian content by subscribing. Have a good one.